Is NAudio Project pathing failed due to the NAudio Core Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To start the walkthrough for NAudio Core Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the NAudio Core Library, the core execution module for the NAudio NET Library. It allows C key applications to perform low-latency audio playback and recording via WASAPI or ASIO. If missing, specialized audio verification tools or VTubing software will report an assembly load failure, preventing any audio input-output. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Since NAudio Core Library DLL is an embedded part of the NAudio Project architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including NAudio Core Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for NAudio Core Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines NAudio Core Library optimization concepts. To keep NAudio Core Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.